Abanyakonda imiye county ya Kisii bono nigo beso kirena gukwana roboti rwa baroko batuko no mugavana we county ya Kisii pending bills echibono mugavana ateba buna abanyakonda mbale batekera nitemiremo yabasenchire bwendrete nechibese chinchiri kuchigwaka no guchiyase bare korengana abanyakonda bunigo batebire buna roboti urumba rumanyeti na nigo baganiriye mugavana yuko bawatukira chibese cyabo cyonsi asebarure egeka kyamatuka 5 nabere kone kone chibese chichiyarurwe onyatali bomba chiko mukige tambukiro buno muri kitso tumanya senchira yoboy kiranu Josephat Amisi
gayo mugavana we county ya Kisii Simba Arati kubwatuka oroboti rwa pending bills asama tukamaiga mbono niga abanyakonda besokirie na kutuguterare oroboti ruo.
And the law states very clearly, when you want to form a pending committee that investigates the pending bills, you have to go through the procurement, the planning officer, the finance officers, to come out with a good pending bill report so that to ascertain whether the pending bills are good or bad.
Because we have never seen that report, and this is 2 months down the line, we don't recognize any findings of that committee.
Bago kwana anso muchobo songo abanyakonda bo nigo bamubolire omugavana Simba Arati anyare ko bagako bakana chibesa echiwanya to ko bakorera emiremo ao.
He didn't understand which phases the contractors were doing those jobs, because there are some jobs that are done in phases, and once you finish the first phase, you are paid fully into completion. This completion certificate is prepared and you given your money.
And further, we are saying, let Simba Arati pay our members. Let Simba Arati pay our members. That money belongs to our members, does not belong to him.
Ubatekana abanyakonda uboigo nigo batabire bagende ko bagwetera amakongu asobugima bwabo kubatekana gutakanwa asechinga kichintampe chenyare ko bachigweta.
As we speak, our members who are here, some of them have been auctioned. Their tippers, their whatever, their properties have been auctioned. Our kids are not going to school. Others are very sick in the hospitals, like acute. You got a stroke the other day because of non-payment. These are serious issues.
We have got families that we learn. So those families are our own families, and we feed them. You cannot keep money in the CRF account. You are making the contractors suffer. We know so many of them, including those ones who are even saying that are you friends. They are equally suffering. All of us are suffering.
Bono nigo batabire tibari gochukoba bagwanchirana obotenebwe county ya Kisii isiyo mugavana Simba Arati ochakia amagendrandi anene yobwaga chibechi para maiga yabara batarakano chibesa cyabo ikibanya tukoba bakorera emeremo.
Intuna contractors twachiramo twarigiria aba advocate baito twarikire a demand letter ya 7 days chibesa cyeto chitakaniri within 7 days kaste yo togo chigotiko korenya ngabaro ni ujobu go chaka gokora Kisii county utaraka na pending bills richi koligo teba very clear uraka na pending bills kogo kiria umana ko barauti kokorega asienya.